大家好，这是你们的肯亚汉语老师 Faith 老师。Hi guys, this is your teacher of Chinese language from Kenya and my name is Faith. Now today I'm going to be teaching you a very useful word and it's called Xiǎng. Now the word Xiǎng means would like to or want. It is normally used before a doing word or before a verb to express something that you plan to do or something that you would like to do. Let me give you a few examples. 我想学汉语。我想学汉语。I would like to study Chinese. The word 学 comes from the word 学习, which is to study. 学汉语 to study Chinese. Another example. 我今天想去学校看书。我今天想去学校看书。Today, 今天 is today. We've already learned that. I would like to 去学校 to go to school. 学校 is school. To do what? 看书. 看书 is to read. So, 我今天想去学校看书. I would like to go to school to read. Another example. 我想去超市买饼干。我想去超市买饼干。超市 means supermarket. I would like to go to the supermarket to do what? 买饼干. 买 means to buy. 饼干 means biscuits or cookies. So, 我想去超市买饼干. Now, let us listen to a few dialogues having the word 想.
Peter, 你想吃什么？
我想吃面条和牛肉。
So we're asking, Peter, what would you like to eat? Then Peter says, 我想吃面条和牛肉。面条 are noodles. 牛肉 is beef or cow's meat. 我想吃面条和牛肉。
Jane, 你想喝什么？ Jane, 你想喝什么？
我想喝茶。我想喝茶。
So we're asking Jane, what would you like to drink? And then Jane says, I would like to drink tea. 茶 is tea.
你想做什么？
我想写汉字。
你想做什么？
我想写汉字。
做 means to do. What would you like to do? I would like to 写汉字. 写 is to write and 汉字 are characters. So 我想写汉字, I would like to write Chinese characters.
你想做什么？
我想去中国买衣服。我想去中国买衣服。
What would you like to do? I would like to go to China. 去中国 to do what? 买衣服. 买 is to buy and 衣服 are clothes. So I would like to go to China to buy some clothes. 我想去中国买衣服。
你想买什么？我想买蔬菜和苹果。你想买什么？我想买蔬菜和苹果。
What would you like to buy? I would like to buy some vegetables. 蔬菜 are vegetables. 和苹果 苹果 are apples. So I would like to buy some vegetables and apples. 我想买蔬菜和苹果. And that's it. Now you understand how to use the word 想. Next time, make sure you make use of it in your spoken Chinese. Until next time, this was your teacher Faith Lao Shi. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can get to listen to more classes that will help you perfect your spoken Chinese. 再见。